Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and today I'm joined by one of our product specialists, Tim Dawson. Tim, Dririder have expanded their luggage collection. Tell me about the Shield luggage.
Yes, this is the Shield. It's a plastic hardtop box, ideal for commuting, but also very much at home with tourists. So we've got a 35 litre, which holds one helmet, and then a 48 litre that holds up to two helmets. Now the 2025 Dririder range, we've made sure that it's a very sleek design. We want a premium kind of look. So you'll notice that there's no buttons to open it up. I'll spin it around. You'll also see that there's no hinges. They're all on the inside. Both of them have a soft backrest, and if I open it up, the inside is also soft. It's got a nice little soft liner.
We obviously know you can hold the helmets. What about the security and ensuring that nothing can go missing?
So in this one, you can see I've got the two helmets. So I want to keep them nice and secure while I've gone off for lunch or whatever. So I can push that down, that locks. The locking mechanism is actually the same mechanism that we use in our Ranger top box, which is the premium one. It makes it super easy to obviously lock the box, but also lock it to your rack and then unlock it should you need to remove it.
And in terms of fitment to the bike, this is obviously quite a large box. How easy is it to connect?
Very easy. So fitment is actually one of the other differences between these boxes. So this one comes with a small connector that will fit to itself and most racks. This one doesn't, and the reason it doesn't is because, as you said, it is large, so it's actually the size of most common top boxes. So if you're changing brands or upgrading, you may actually have one of those racks or the connections to the racks, so then you don't need to go out and buy one. If so, there's a heavy duty plastic one that's perfect for this.
Is there anything else you want to tell us about the luggage?
Yeah, look, in terms of carrying capacity, small one, 5 kilos, big one, 10 kilos. But most importantly, this is something we're really proud of. This range has actually been recognised by the Red Dot Design Awards for its design. So to be recognised at such an international stage, on such an international stage, is actually really exciting for us. But there's so much involved with the Dririder luggage, you're really best to come in store and have a look at all of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Tim. If you'd like any more information on the newest Dririder Shield luggage, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course the information will be there for you on the website.